Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mary Joy De Lima, and our topic for today is History of Agriculture. So today, I'm excited to share the history of agriculture, how farming changed the world and human life. Agriculture is very important kasi ito ang pinakasimula ng civilization natin. So, slide 2. Introduction. Agriculture is the foundation of human civilization. It made stable food production possible, allowing people to settle and develop societies. So, agriculture means growing crops and raising animals para makakuha tayo ng pagkain. Dahil dito, naging stable ang food supply, kaya nakapag-settle ang mga tao instead na palipat-lipat sila. Next slide, meaning of agriculture. Agriculture involves growing crops and raising animals for food, fiber, and other products. It supports economics and cultures worldwide. So dito, more than just planting and raising animals, agriculture also connect to economy and culture. Imagine, maraming tao ang nagtatrabaho dito and products from farm help create business. Next, life before agriculture. Early humans were hunters and gatherers. They move often to follow food sources, living a nomadic lifestyle without permanent homes. So dito naman, bago magsimula ang farming, ang buhay ng tao ay puro hunting and gathering lang. Palipat-lipat sila kasi naghahanap ng pagkain sa mga ligaw na hayop at mga bunga ng halaman. Mabuhay man sila, mahirap dahil walang siguradong pagkain. So next, problems before farming. Food supply was unpredictable. No stored food mean scarcity during bad seasons. People depended completely on wild plants and animals. So, dito naman, unstable ang food supply noon. Kapag wala masyadong hayop o prutas sa isang lugar, kailangan nilang lumipat. Walang permanent homes or stored food para kapag tag-ulan o tag-init, may makain. Next, Agricultural Revolution. Also called the Neolithic Revolution, began around 10,000 years ago. Humans shifted from hunting-gathering to farming and animal domestication. So, dito naman, nagbago ang lahat with the Agricultural Revolution or Neolithic Revolution around 10,000 years ago. Natutunan ng mga tao kung paano magtanim at mag-alaga ng mga hayop. It was a big step kasi from being nomads, naging farmers sila. Next, beginning of farming. People learned to plant seeds and growing crops. Domestication of animals like sheep, goats, and cattle provided reliable food and labor. So, dito naman, people started planting seeds tulad ng wheat at rice at pag-aalaga ng sheep, goats, at cattle. Dahil dito, nagkaroon sila ng reliable food supplies na hindi umaasa lang sa ligaw na pagkain. Next, early crops and animals. Important crops: wheat, barley, rice, maize, or corn. Animals Goat, sheep, pigs, cattle used for meat, milk, wool, and bird. So, dito, important crops like wheat, barley, rice, and maize were the staples. Hayop tulad ng goats, sheep, at pigs provided meat, milk, wool, and sometimes labor. This helped improve people's diet and lifestyle. Next, permanent settle. Stable food supply allowed people to settle in one place. Villages and towns formed, leading to the rise of civilization. Because of steady food supply, people stay in one place and build villages. This lead to more complex societies, eventually forming cities and early civilization. Early farming tools. Tools like stone sickles, wooden plows, and hoes help increase farming efficiency. Irrigation was developed to water crops and dry areas. To make farming easier, early humans invented tools like stone sickles to cut crops and wooden plows to prepare the soil. These simple tools help increase productivity. Irrigation system. Irrigation techniques include canals and ditches. This system control water supply, improving crops yield. In dry places, irrigation canals and ditches were built to bring water to crops. This innovation allowed farming to spread to places without enough rainfall. Next, agriculture and civilization. Food surplus supported population growth. Cities and governments developed. Agriculture becomes the economic's backbone. The food surpluses mean people could focus on other things like art, trade, and government. This led to population growth and the rise of cities and empires. Next, trade and economy. Surplus crops allow trade with neighboring regions. Trade of goods, and ideas help cultural exchange and economic growth. So, surplus crops were traded with neighboring regions. This exchange not only provide goods but also shared ideas and culture, helping societies develop. Next, culture and religion. Many societies worship gods of harvest and fertility. Agricultural cycles influence festival and rituals. So, agricultural cycles influence many beliefs. Many Asian peoples worship gods of harvest, fertility, and rain. They had festivals to celebrate planting and harvesting seasons. Role of farmers. Farmers provided food for town and armies. They work hard despite difficult conditions to sustain society. So, noong Middle Ages in farming improved with techniques like crop rotation. They divided the land into three parts to keep soil healthy and increase production. Modern agriculture. Use of synthetic fertilizer and pesticides, advanced irrigation, improve crops and machinery, support global food demands. So, farmers were essential because they feed the whole community. Kahit mahirap ang trabaho, ang kanilang effort ang dahilan ng survival ng society. Next, challenges in agriculture: soil depletion, water pollution, and loss of biodiversity. Dependence on chemical inputs raises health concerns. So, dito naman, the Industrial Revolution So, challenges in agriculture. Dito naman, may mga challenges din tulad ng soil degradation, water pollution, and loss of biodiversity dahil sa overuse ng chemicals and monocropping. Sustainable agriculture focuses on eco-friendly farming methods, crop rotation, organic farming, and conservation of resources. Ensure food security for future generation. So dito, to solve this problem, sustainable farming practice like organic farming, crop rotation, and conservation are important para maprotektahan ang kalikasan at future food supply. Conclusion: agriculture has been the backbone of civilization. Understanding its history helps us appreciate and improve it. So, ang agriculture shaped the past and continues to shape our future. Dapat natin pahalagahan at alagaan ito for the next generation.